Newlywed earns prison time for drunken pre-flight assault. A has been smacked with prison time and a hefty fine after throwing a drunken tantrum on an EasyJet flight to his honeymoon, during which he went on a homophobic tirade and punched two flight attendants who tried to take away his e-cigarette. After flying into the violent rage, the passenger and his wife were booted from the plane before takeoff. It happened back in February, when Michael Cunnett of Epsom, England, boarded an EasyJet flight with his new wife for their honeymoon to Egypt, reports. Soon after settling, the newlywed proceeded to whip out an e-cigarette that he began to smoke before takeoff, prompting flight attendant Andre Bota to intervene. The situation quickly turned for the worse. According to the flight attendant Christopher Bogley rushed towards Cunnett to mediate, before being punched as well. The erratic passenger was soon escorted off the plane and arrested by police, according to the Mirror, and his dangerous antics ultimately delayed the plane's takeoff by 45 minutes, IBT reported. Look. Recently, the man appeared in court in relation to the incident and he pleaded guilty to 4 charges, including common assault, criminal damage, and interfering with performance of the aircraft crew, IBT reports. He has been sentenced. Bogley, meanwhile, told those gathered that even though his assailant was not aware of his sexual orientation at the time of the attack, he is proud to be a gay man. He
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.